We were anticipating an active year, and it has turned out to be exactly that.
Right, and for us here, it was active, but it was delayed. We saw a lot of that action in May into June. We were really busy. And of course, the Central Texas flooding happened late June, early July. Yeah, the drought was significant leading up to that.
We had drought, we had flooding, and now we've got that heat.
A lot of that heat.
We're always expecting that to get here eventually, right?
Eventually. And this one also delayed, Chris, and I think it had a lot to do with just the systems that we had coming through. A lot of the rain helped kind of delay the first triple-digit heat day officially at DFW. Okay, so now we're dealing with this heat advisory. It's in place through 9 p.m. The heat index values up to 107 is the reason why that's in place. Clyde Warren Park right now did look a little cloudy this morning, but starting to see a bit more of that blue sky, and the temperature, man, climbing quick. 89 degrees already, the heat index 96. This temperature is hotter than at this point yesterday, so that gives me a hint that we'll see a degree warmer today. And that's what I'm thinking we'll see. We'll see about 98 degrees by 2, the heat index near 103, 99 for the high. That'll happen around 4 today. The heat index at that point, at DFW specifically, will be about 104. At 8, still 94 degrees. And look at how we struggled to drop with our temperatures. Only 85 degrees at midnight, feeling like 90. It has to do with that intense humidity. It helps trap some of that heat overnight. So today, I do think we'll see a few hundreds. I think Fort Worth will see 100 degrees, Denton about 101, 100 in Gainesville, 100 in Mineral Wells, Graham at 101. A few locations, though, like Dallas, McKinney, about 99. And the reason why I don't think that we'll quite see that triple digit is because we started off cooler this morning. We also had a little more cloud cover this morning, so that's going to limit some of this warming. And we have so much humidity in our atmosphere, that's going to limit how much we warm. And that's what we've seen this week. This week, we've seen those numbers try to climb to 100, but not quite get there just because of how much moisture is in our air. But because there's a lot of moisture in the air, our heat index looks like this. It's going to feel like 104 in Dallas, 103 in McKinney, 104 in Denton, about 105 in Fort Worth. And get this, even with temperatures dropping this weekend, 95 Saturday, 96 on Sunday, it'll still feel like 105 or 106. It's because of the humidity, and it's all due to tropical moisture coming in. So the end of the week forecast shapes up like this. We have our WFA weather alert today, but Saturday, Sunday, look at this, 20% coverage of rain Saturday, 10% coverage of rain on Sunday. And it's because of that area of low pressure off of the southeast Texas coast. So this is this evening, we could see a little something in East Texas. The rest of us stay rain free, but some cloud cover looks to be possible. And that again could keep us out of the triple digits. Saturday morning, we start out with some cloud cover along the eastern third of North Texas. We start to see a little rain potential around 2 in the afternoon. And look at that, between 5 and 6, we could see a few showers popping up in the area. That's our 20%. I'm not expecting this to last long. I'm not expecting severe weather, but it could help cool us down. That isolated potential for rain across the Metroplex. More scattered to the southeast, so a little bit better coverage. And again, it's all because of a big area of low pressure. It's tropical moisture, actually, that's helping tap into some of this cloud cover. So we'll see that. That's the reason why the heat index will be as high as it is, not just today, but also for this weekend. High temperatures look to stay in the upper 90s through next week. We have limited rain chances towards the end of the month and the beginning of August. And believe it or not, I still have all 90s through the first week of August, Chris.
Okay.